Kublai phi baro ki viewers khamta me ikun samla ki applicants ki pakwa man apply nam ta ki post paper bat ki padang shongi yeng ru kunju ki padang up khmilenti lano kata ka khubor lano kita ki vacancies ki ban light ba in la ban apply tiga ka khubor ka pas ngot na nam ta ka jong phi ki bom pat don kam don jam ye phi ki khun samla ki ba napo kari khasi bat join dia sabai ga ne khubor na do bas dang do ban kut khanang bin tip kumno bapin le bat ke ga bapi dan kaman le nang ta bapin join ya kini ki post baper ki bala penline da ki pau hajar mo da ki pau hajar tili ki post okay te lada pidang dei ki pathmai ha ka video jonga wanum klep bat banya share like bat ban subscribe na ka banta ki updates ha ba dei bat ki khubor like kam di nagleng jong ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society and MSSDS under the Skill Meghalaya Initiative ka la khot nagabenta ka recruitment drive ka la pantip bat panlight hadu shipo hajar plus ki career opportunities lane ki lat ki kabu bapin yo bantrei hakite ki hajar tali ki post okay nagabenta baro khar tali ki district okay te hakane ka recruitment drive ki don kumba life tali kita ki partners no ki bawan ban ai jinghikai ki bawan ban pensngau ye phi kum ki kita ki lat yo kam yo jam nang ta 50 plus job rules nagamanda ki spotli ki sectors okay so ki local candidate nani ki candidate ki bana pop state Meghalaya hi ki don kam ban let yakini ki recruitment drive nakamta ba pinyo trei ha po lagajong ka jala lane lada pikwa ban trei shabar state lane shabar riru phila man join okay kata ka dei ka jing pentip nagaliang jong kini ka MSSTS khamta me nakabenta ki basa hapo West Garo Hill especially for the applicants from West Garo Hill district okay di nakabenta ki baro kharatali ki district hi in sa ayagani ka recruitment drive di kumtu kumangal man pelai sapo East Giant Hill kelas sedang kin sa sedang hagini gisingi di namta jongiru ibana po khasi kin sa pentip lano te kata kadiga khubor alada pikwano bantip ru phila ban lekni sha ki ka department jong ka MSSDS meni lada pi yo jingtip ba ki la pelong ya ka recruitment drive lek bek na ka banta pi yo jingtip ha ka bedi ban ki kam ba pher nang ta ka total opportunities ka don 1000 plus now the number of job rules 50 plus rule sector kadon 10 major sectors hiring partners kadon life hoteli ki companies AA the district over 12 district target district venue mentaka ne po West Garo Hill or now is in West Garo Hill okay so working timing 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So top recruiting partners, kini ki partners ki bakwa ban aikam now tai phone sama healthcare and wellness kum ka Apollo Hospital, Yoshida Hospital, Kavadam Group, Tadwa Wellness, Zivaya Spa, Shatikya Skilling for Livelihood, Hospitality and Retail, ITC Hotels, Responsible Luxury, Pride Plaza Hotels, Taco Bell, Bone, Cosmos. IT, BPO and Services, kini ru kidon. Nata Manufacturing and Textile ru kidon. Okay. So nagbenta ki sector and jobs rule healthcare and nurses, kumki staff nurse, assistant nurse, direct nurse, professional, nursing aid, healthcare assistant, okay, and so on. Tikla ban play bhaya kini dah ka advertisement ru gila ni nata hospitality hotel and food services kumki waiter waitress commis kitchen assistant housekeeping front office guest relation guest service F&B service but kiwi manufacturing kidon kum ke machine line assembly operator sewing machine and so on. Wellness, spa and beauty, wellness therapist, beauty therapist, senior spa therapist, therapist healer, or construction, brick masonry, all round, finishing, shuttering, joiner, plumber, pipe fitter, and so on. So there are lots of partners. So kindly read yourself through advertisement. Okay. Kidon Shibuntuli. And West Garrow Hill venue, 17 of August, ITI compound Tura, Kande Airport Tura. And the 19 of August, CRD block, old building Trikiri Kila. 21st August, multi facility center Rongram, CNRD block. And 22nd, Silva UP school. 26th, Bagdil buildings. 29 Bharat Nirmal buildings. 1st of November, September, Indoor Stadium Pulbari. 3rd September, Dalu Multi Facility. 7 September, Batabari LP School. So kini kini nang banta kibasa hangte hapo West Garrow Hill. Okay, for those who stay in West Garrow, kindly note down this date so that you can go for recruitment drive. Nakabanta kiting tip bamnya pila ban pek kini ki link ki bangan sabu hapo ka comment pin ke jonga. Tangkata hi wedi pagani kubor kubleshibun but what Numdu jengkermen ang tajungi kasi lada kala mi ka recruitment drive ngan sapentip sapi di nganong vi yaisa ban wan kuslai pinsa yok be yaki kam ki jam bijong pi lada pi kwa bat pi ang not sisa ban trei hapo stit lani tila ban lit trei ru syabah